This is your video inspection on your Lamborghini Gallardo. You have your coolant system pressurized. And it is leaking from this upper pipe. I'll lower it to get a better view. See that it's coming down. Tested your battery. The battery failed. Tested as worn out. The leak is coming right from this pipe there. It's coolant pipe. Crossovers from both radiators in front. See it leaking right there. Normally there's a cover right here that I took off to protect your battery from exactly this. But I do recommend replacing this pipe, cleaning the area, and rechecking. Well, greetings. I'm back. I just got a call from Ben at Lamborghini at Las Vegas. He said I could come down and pick up the Cheddarwedge, and you know, also thought it was kind of cool that I got an online invoice that I can pay. That way when we just get down there and pick up the car, I mean, whole social distancing and everything, pretty cool. But anyway, unbeknownst to you guys, it's actually been a week because I dropped the car off last Saturday, and you know, because she wet the bed again, and the puddle was actually a little bit bigger this time, and I knew it wasn't windshield wiper fluid, so it just whatever. Anyhow, took it down there. I had to wait for parts to come in from Italy, and of course with you know, the quarantine and all, it took till I think Saturday when they finally got them in, which kind of sucked. Good and bad. I mean, Saturday it was really nice. I was really looking forward to taking the car out, but nowhere to really go. I mean, Espressos and Exotics, Atomic Car Show, I mean, all that stuff's been canceled. So and then Sunday was Easter, and I don't know about you, but it was pretty crappy here. We had like a beautiful day like today starting out, then the wind came in, clouds came in, and by mid-afternoon it was pouring pretty bad. So anyway, yeah, I want to try to beat the weather, get down there, get the car back, probably just tuck it back into the garage before it gets rained on, because hopefully they washed it. I mean, they usually do, but we'll see. Anyway, yeah, just to kind of wrap up a little bit, it was the coolant hose up front that's by the passenger side, so they tried to crank that down and didn't work, and so replaced that hose. And then last time I had the car in, I swore they replaced the battery, but after looking through the invoices and everything, they actually did not. So when I took the regulator in, they were supposed to replace the battery, so on and so forth. But in this instance, it actually worked out better because the labor for the battery versus having the frunk and everything torn apart already for the hose kind of balanced itself out. So the battery was only 181 bucks as opposed to 700 something. So there you go. I mean, the invoice is still whatever, but anyhow, probably chat with you after we get the car. Just made it down to Lamborghini in Las Vegas, and I see the car under the canopy. There she is. Well, I was going to do some tunnel blasts with the Xterra, but yeah, she's busy, and the sky is turning pretty crappy. So, I mean, it was beautiful out this morning, and now we've got this. So I'm just gonna get the car and probably still do a tunnel blast, but I'm gonna get the car and head home. Man, I'm gonna have to keep bringing it down here for the free wash job. Anyway, let's go see Ben and keys. Oh, there's the guy.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm gonna keep bringing it down here just for the free wash job.
All right.
Because it looks great. All right, just talked to Ben, got the keys to the Cheddarwedge back, and like I said, I'm gonna have to keep bringing it down here just for the free wash job, because man, that thing looks nice. Anyway, he told me check it out now with the new battery. It's supposed to be like a big improvement over what it was before. So let's take a look, see what we got. All right. Let's see if there's a noticeable improvement. Yeah, I would say that's a little higher on the RPM for sure. Anyway, we're gonna go hit the airport tunnel and then get this thing back in the garage. So stay tuned. Well, I just went to Lamborghini at Las Vegas and I'm on my way home, so you know what that means. Yep. Tunnel blast. Ready? Wait for it.